up, everybody? Thank you for tuning back into the channel. I hope y'all are having an amazing day. I am pretty pumped. We're at Blue Heron Bridge. We're getting ready to go free diving. There is a ton of people, but the water looks amazing. We're gonna get ready to jump in right now. The water looks like it's perfect conditions, so the fish should be A1. Should be amazing. I'm excited. Let's get in the water.
Let me go. I don't know. 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 I don't know. Let me go. I don't know. Let me go. I don't know. Let me go. I don't know. Let me Let me go. I don't know. Let me go.
Alright, so we're sitting all the way at the opposite end of where we got in, because we got in under the bridge over there. There was a really cool like sport fish and a sailboat that were sunk out that way, and I think that they removed them because we didn't see them and the currents were ripping that way, and we kind of gave up on swimming. So we're gonna maybe try to go under this bridge if the current's not too bad. But it's kind of disappointing that they removed those because they were pretty cool. You could swim through the tower and everything. I have some videos from last time I'm here I might insert in the video so y'all could see what I'm talking about. But it was pretty sick, and I think they towed it away. So that boy Bobby's cold. It's like 80 when it's cold. This really gives you an idea of how much life is actually under the water here, because I'm standing. It's only waist deep, but if I go under,
Let me go. Let me go. I don't know. Let me go. I don't know. Let me go.
well, that was a pretty short little free diving session. I brought the wrong size fins, so my feet are shredded. Braden's a little cold, but chilly. A little cold. It's not that cold. It's like, the water's like 70 something degrees. It's nice and refreshing. But yeah, that wraps up the little free diving sesh that we just had. I hope you guys enjoyed that. There's a lot of little cool things, but I was a little bummed that we didn't get to free dive on those bigger boats that were out there, but it is what it is. So still had fun. Another cool little thing, they actually have showers so you can get unsalty afterwards. Get nice and unsalty. Alright everybody, if you made it this far in the video, go ahead and subscribe to the channel down below, leave a like, leave a comment, turn those post notifications on so you don't miss any content, and take it easy my friends. Have a wonderful day. Tie life dog. She's a runner, she's a track star.
What is a goblin here?